All right, good evening, everybody. Out of the box breaks. We are now doing break 2656. This is a 14-15 Ultimate Collection 5-box break. I chose 5 box at random from the shelf. So I'll run through the team assignments, and then we will get breaking. Good luck and enjoy the break. So Anaheim is Noah 16. Arizona was Up'ems. Boston is Phil 62. Sci-Fi Guy with Buffalo. Cuba Capo, Calgary, Noah 16, Carolina. Sniper with Chicago, Noah 16, Colorado. Sci-Fi Guy with Columbus, Cuba Capo, Dallas. Faker with Detroit. Brian Beauchemin has the Oilers. Logan's Dad, Florida. Sci-Fi Guy, LA. Siegs with Minnesota. Sniper with Montreal. Pens fan, Nashville. Was Up'ems has the Devils. Rocket, Ottawa, the Islanders. Major D, the Rangers. Logan's Dad, Ottawa. Rocket Auto with the Flyers. Cuba Capo, the Penguins. Sniper, the Sharks. Leafer 70, the Blues. Tom John Jen with Tampa. Leafer 70, Toronto. 33 NHL with Vancouver and Washington. And Pens fan with the Jets. Good luck, guys, and enjoy this 5-boxer of Ultimate Collection. All right, here we go. Box number 1. Columbus wins again. What's that, 12 straight now? All right, we start with a base at a $2.99 for the LA Kings. Jeff Carter. For the New York Rangers, out of $2.99, rookie auto, Kevin Hayes. 12 in a row. Nice. Like Minnesota's winning as well tonight. Oh, very nice for the New Jersey Devils. 17 out of 25 Ultimate Rookie Auto patch of Seth Helgeson. For the Montreal Canadiens, Ultimate Debut Threads out of 100 of Sven Endringetto. For the Montreal Canadiens, Ultimate Game Materials at a 99 of Patrick Roy. And for the San Jose Sharks, Retro at a 150, Joe Thornton. All right, box number 2 in our 5-boxer of Ultimate Collection. Well, they're staying healthy this year. For the San Jose Sharks, a base at a $2.99, Thomas Hertl. Also for the Sharks, rookie auto at a $2.99, Barclay Goodrow. Nice hit for the New York Rangers, signature masterpieces of Mark Messier. It's a cool hit. A gorgeous patch for Philadelphia out of 100. Ultimate Debut Threads, Rob Zepp. Rob Zepp. For the Anaheim Ducks, Ultimate Collection jersey of Ryan Getzlaf. And for the Dallas Stars, Tyler Seguin, retro out of 150. Rob Zepp. All right, box number 3 in our 5-boxer of Ultimate Collection. Sergei Bobrovsky at a $2.99 for Columbus. There's a nice one for the Edmonton Oilers. Rookie auto at a $2.99, Darnell Nurse. For the San Jose Sharks, Ultimate Signature, Joe Pavelski. Man, San Jose's cleaning. Ooh, that's a nice patch. That's cool. For Edmonton, Ultimate Game Materials, patch out of 10. Curtis Joseph. Cool patch. For the Ducks, 46 out of 99, Teemu Salani, Ultimate Game Materials. And for the Dallas Stars, Ultimate Signatures, Brett Ritchie. I know Edmonton, San Jose are cleaning up. All right, box number 4. Game break 2656. For the LA Kings out of 299, Jonathan Quick. Well, we do hit a rookie out of 99, and it goes to Buffalo. 92 out of 99 rookie auto, Sam Reinhart. Nice hit to whoever has Buffalo. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, we got an Obsidian script of Morgan Riley. Well, Philly with 2 great patches. Ultimate debut threads out of 100, Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. For Chicago, Ultimate Gear, Duncan Keith. And for the New Jersey Devils, Damon Severson. All right, 5th and final box. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. All right, I feel a Preds hit. Alex Galchenyuk. 299 base for Montreal. Another San Jose hit. Oh, no. Out of 299 rookie auto for San Jose. Chris Tierney. How about this, guys? Ultimate signatures for Edmonton. Wayne Gretzky. Get a nice cheap break. You got a nice hit like that. Congrats to the owner of the Oilers. That is gorgeous. For the Florida Panthers, Ultimate debut threads out of 100, Rocco Grimaldi. The Calgary Flames, rare materials, Jonas Hiller, triple jersey. And we end break 2656 with a retro out of 150 for Montreal, Max Pacioretty. So there you have it, guys. There's our 5-boxer of 14-15 Ultimate Collection. It was a pretty good break for a couple teams. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again, everyone.